everyone, welcome to Tacos with Muchachos. We're here at Mariscos Los Cangrejos today to try some of their tacos. I'm here with my muchacho, Tony T. Tony is an international taco connoisseur and also owner of food truck Corazon de Torta in San Diego. Tony, what's up, man?
I'm here for you, Scott. Anything you want. If it includes eating delicious tacos, I'm here.
All right, how about having a Enchilada to kick things off, buddy?
Why not? Let's do it.
All right, we're there. Dude, look at all these tacos.
We made it, Scott. We made it to lunchtime finally after crossing an international border and going through Tijuana traffic. We're now in the promised land.
On an empty stomach, and here we are. Our first stop, they brought us 4 really good looking tacos. I think this one is surf and turf.
Oh, yeah.
So it's a ribeye with shrimp, camarones.
Oh, yeah.
This one is shrimp enchilada, which is like a spicy
This is
shrimp.
an octopus enchilada.
Oh, octopus
Pulpo,
enchilada.
yeah, you can see there.
Okay, I see the tentacles now.
This is it's wrapped in bacon, and it's fish, and it's got a little bit of a mango and chipotle sauce.
Actually, I think it's shrimp in here, Tony.
It's a shrimp. It's,
Yes.
it's fried shrimp.
It's hard to tell because they're wrapped up like a bacony
Bacon.
present.
Well,
Okay.
anything wrapped in bacon, I want to eat it. So.
Dude, everything's better with bacon, huh?
And this one is interesting. He called it a taco culichi. A culichi is something that comes from Culiacan.
Okay.
Mariscos in Tijuana are very Sinaloa oriented. Seems like it's a poblano with shrimp. I'm gonna taste it.
That
if
looks
you don't
terrific.
mind.
Let's eat.
From the first bite, I can tell you that this is an excellent dish. It's a taco dorado with, which is a fried crispy taco.
Right?
It's got shrimp. It's got a poblano sauce. It's amazing. This is a very good taco. You
It
should
looks
taste
so
some of
rich.
this.
I want to for sure. And I got to tell you, this bacon-wrapped shrimp taco is a mouthful, man. It's like this is a meal unto itself.
Wow.
I don't know how I'm going to eat any more after this one. But you got to try this one, Tony. Look at that. Look at that green. So this
It's
is
an
made
amazing
with
taco.
poblano chilies.
Why don't we add a little chili oil?
Yeah.
Chef was out here telling me that he makes it.
Here we go.
Chile de árbol, garlic, all toasted, and oiliness. Good taco.
That sauce is everything, dude.
I want to see what's up with this funky looking octopus. Been watching a lot of octopus shows on streaming platforms.
Yeah?
We'll honor this delicious octopus by eating it.
That's right. We will
'Cause
not let
looks-
it go to waste.
So right away, he did the dorado thing again on this tortilla.
Okay.
So slightly dorado, not completely dorado.
So they dip it in the tallow, Tony, right? Then they put it on the plancha on the grill so that it gets a nice crispiness to it. This is not a taco shell. This is a real dorado. This is crispy tacos the way they're meant to be eaten.
It's spicy.
Spicy?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that what the enchilado is, right?
That's
It's
what
always a
enchilada
spicy
means.
sauce.
You're learning, gringo. You're
Hey,
learning.
dude, I've eaten a lot of tacos in my day, Tony.
You're learning the words,
And
though.
I've got a...
Because most guys
got the weight to show it.
come surf to Ensenada one weekend, and they're like, tacos con todo, por favor. It's like, now you're learning more words.
So this is the surf and turf, Tony. Look at
Looks
this, man.
amazing.
It's
Looks amazing.
huge. It's huge. I don't know how I'm going to put this in my mouth. So this is ribeye, and what do they say? Some shrimp in here too? Okay, well, let's go for it. This is a big bite, people, so get ready for this.
Oh, they double tortilla that one. Wow. Amazing. Tacos El Cangrejo, I think, is very representative of what goes on here in Tijuana, which is people from Sinaloa bring their seafood traditions here, slightly tweak them to add a border taste, and that's what they're doing here. And I think you picked a winner.
They're
for
delicious.
sure.
Mariscos Cangrejo. What do you think, Tony?
I thought it was amazing, and I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm not a seafood guy.
Really?
I'm not a seafood guy usually. I'll eat
Okay.
them. This was delicious.
Yeah, what was your favorite?
My favorite was the taco culichi with
That-
the poblano sauce and the shrimp.
That was
Amazing.
really good.
Amazing.
I'm going to have to go for the bacon wrapped shrimp, man. That was
delicious.
Just delicious. The bacon was really hearty, a lot of flavor. The shrimp were nice and plump.
I love Mariscos Los Cangrejos.
Mariscos Los Cangrejos. I will definitely be coming back, dude.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.